Hey there, my name is Akanksha. Welcome to our beginner friendly guide to Java. In this video, we will cover all the essential you need to kickstart your Java adventure, from understanding what Java is and its cool features to installing it on your machine. We have got you covered. Plus, we will dive into the nitty gritty of the main method and even learn how to print our very first program, Hello World. So get ready to embark on your coding journey. It's going to be a thrilling ride. Java was invented by James Gosling, a computer scientist, and his team at Sun Microsystem in the early 1990s. The project, initially named OAK, was aimed at developing a language for programming consumer electronic devices. Eventually, it evolved into Java, which became widely known for its write once, run anywhere capability and its use in web development, enterprise software, and various other applications. What are the features of Java? Java is known for its rich set of features that make it a versatile and powerful programming language. Some of its key features include platform independence. That means Java program can run on any device that has a Java Virtual Machine (JVM), making it a platform independent. Second is object oriented. Java is an object oriented programming language, which means it supports concepts like encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, making it easier to write modular, reusable, and maintainable code. To install Java, you can follow these general steps. First, download Java Development Kit. Visit the official website of Oracle or open JDK to download the JDK for your operating system. Ensure that you download the appropriate version, example JDK 8 or JDK 11, based on your requirement. Fourth, verify installation. Open a command prompt or terminal and type java-version. To verify that Java has been installed correctly, you should see the version of Java installed on your system. These steps provide a general overview of how to install Java on your system. The exact process may vary depending on your operating system and the version of Java you are installing. Always refer to the official documentation or installation instruction provided by Oracle or OpenJDK for detailed guidance. In this slide, we are going to run what is main method in Java. As per interview perspective, it is very important question that can asked in interview. So the main method is the entry point for any Java application. It is the method that the Java virtual machine calls to start executing the program. Open Notepad or any other text editor of your choice. Type the following code. Save the file with the name helloworld.java. Make sure to select all files from the file type drop-down to avoid adding a .txt extension. Compiling the Java program. For this, open command prompt and navigate to the directory where you saved helloworld.java. Use the javac command to compile the Java source file. If there are no errors, this command will generate a bytecode file named helloworld.class. Running the Java program. After successful completion, use Java command followed by the class name to execute the program and see the output hello world printed to the console. Congratulations, you have successfully written, compiled and executed your first Java program using Notepad. Stay tuned for more Java tutorials on Adyan Softech channel. Thank you.